Want to start using the Love Island USA app to keep up with the show, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Love Island USA app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download the Love Island USA app, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Love Island USA in the search bar. Tap Love Island USA when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using the Love Island USA app. That's all it takes to download the Love Island app. Need an app to stream the show? Check out these tutorials next. Click one of the videos on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.